Everyone thinks the best-selling LED TV backlight is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Cantu-Toe LED lights. The Cantu-Toe LED lights caught my eye right away with their vibrant colors and an incredible price tag of just $9.99. If you want an affordable way to elevate your TV experience, this is worth a serious look. So here's what makes these lights stand out. First off, they offer 16 million color options, which means you can set the perfect mood for movie night or a gaming session. The Bluetooth app control is super user-friendly, allowing you to sync the lights with your music, creating a lively atmosphere. Imagine your lights pulsing to your favorite tunes. That's the kind of vibe you can achieve here. It's also really easy to install, thanks to the strong adhesive backing that keeps it securely on your TV. Now, some people complained about the adhesive not holding up over time. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and ensure the surface is clean before sticking it down, you shouldn't have issues. Plus, at this price point, it's a minor risk for the fun you get. This is perfect for you if you want an inexpensive way to add ambience to your living room or game room. Skip this one if you're looking for something more premium in terms of features. Honestly, for $9.99, it's a steal. Now, if that adhesive concern worried you a bit, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KSI-PZ LED lights. We have the KSI-PZ LED lights, priced just slightly higher at $9.97. What caught my attention here is the premium feel they seem to promise for such a low price. If you want an instant TV backlight setup, this is worth a serious look. What's great about the KSI-PZ is the plug-and-play convenience. You can set it up in seconds without needing any tools or complicated wiring. It also features a Bluetooth-enabled remote and app control, giving you access to 16+ colors and various dynamic modes, like strobe and fade. This means you can easily customize your backlighting for any occasion, from chilling out to intense gaming. Plus, the low-voltage 5V LEDs are designed to be eye-friendly, reducing glare while still providing that immersive edge. However, some users mention that the brightness isn't as high as they expected. Here's the thing. While it might not light up a huge room, it does provide a nice ambient glow that's perfect for smaller spaces or cozy setups. This is perfect for you if you're after an easy installation with a decent range of colors. Skip this one if you need something super bright for larger areas. Honestly, considering the features, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want smart control. Product number 3, Govee TV LED Backlight, which comes in at $29.99. What really grabbed me was the RGB IC technology that promises a more dynamic lighting experience. If you want vibrant colors and smart features, this is worth a serious look. The Govee lights feature 114 lamp beads, allowing for color segmentation that creates stunning visual effects behind your TV. The app and voice control integration with Alexa and Google Assistant is super convenient, making it easy to manage your lighting without lifting a finger. Plus, with over 99 preset scene modes and multiple music sync options, you can set the mood for any occasion. The installation is also flexible, covering all sides of 55 to 65-inch TVs effortlessly. Some users have pointed out that the color capture feature doesn't always work perfectly, but here's the thing. While it may not sync with every scene flawlessly, the predefined modes are still more than enough to create a vibrant atmosphere. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and want a range of dynamic lighting options. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup. Honestly, the added features justifies the price for a lot of folks. Now, if that tech aspect interests you, the next product takes it even further.
Product number 4, Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite, and it's on the pricier side at $89.99. What really stands out here is the fisheye correction function. If you're serious about your TV setup and want the best visuals, this is worth a serious look. This model uses upgraded Govee and visual technology, which means it provides more accurate color matching and eliminates those annoying black bars on your screen. The added warm white chip makes a noticeable difference in creating a more natural lighting effect, enhancing your movie watching or gaming experience. You can control it via the app or with voice commands, and it captures the colors of your screen in real time, which is fantastic for anyone who streams content. However, with such a high-tech feature set, some users have noted that installation can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing. Once you get it set up correctly, the payoff is worth it, especially if you're looking to create a truly immersive experience. This is perfect for you if you're an avid gamer or movie lover who wants top-notch performance. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple or budget-friendly. For those who want the best, it's a solid investment. Now, if you love the tech but want something for larger screens, the last product is a must-see.
Product number 5, Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite Large. We have the Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite designed for larger screens, priced at $109.99. What caught my attention here is its compatibility with 75, 85-inch TVs. If you're looking to enhance your big screen experience, this is worth a serious look. This model shares many of the features of its smaller counterpart, including the RGB ICW technology for dynamic color mixing and real-time screen color capture. The gravitational hanging design makes it easier to install on larger TVs, and you can sync it with up to 7 other Govee devices for a full home lighting experience. This truly creates an immersive atmosphere for movie nights or gaming sessions. Some users found the price point to be a bit steep. Here's the thing though, the performance and quality you get for large screens can really enhance your viewing experience, making it worth every penny for many. This is perfect for you if you own a large TV and want all the advanced features. Skip this one if your TV is smaller or if you're on a tight budget. Honestly, if you want immersive lighting, it's a great investment. In conclusion, from budget-friendly options to high-tech solutions, there's a great backlight for every type of viewer.
So there you have it. The Cantu-To and KS-IPZ are perfect if you want budget-friendly options, while the Govee models offer tech-savvy features that enhance your viewing experience. Whether you want a simple setup or immersive lighting, there's a backlight that fits your needs. Thanks for tuning in.